Okay, here we go. First off, I want to say hello, Walter, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. My name is Jeff Belanger. My company is Belanger Solutions, and I just wanted to shoot this out and give you a little better explanation on how websites and businesses are ranked and how you get exposure on Google. There's a couple major factors: content, backlinks, and citations. And obviously, backlinks is a website that links to another. It's like an endorsement for you. Citations are referring domains that have name, address, and phone number. Um, Examples would be Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, and it's also direct citations are directly connected to your Google Business profile, and that plays a big part getting ranked in the maps. So I just kind of want to jump right in here. I did auto repair in Charleston, South Carolina. That's where you are. This is your website, Charleston's #1 dealership mechanic. Okay. But what I wanted to point out is that you're not pulling up on the page. So everything underneath the map is the organic rankings aside from advertisements, Yelp. So we have H1, Foley Road, Charleston, South Carolina, that's AAA, Auto House. So let's take a look and see what's going on. I chose to pull up the Foley Road. And so what I have here is I have a tool. So take your website and I have a tool. It's called Ahrefs, and it gives me an overview of what your website has and how you're ranking. These are your backlinks, referring links, endorsements. These are your citations, name, address, phone number, Angie's, Yelp. These are your keywords. And obviously every time you type something into Google, this becomes the keyword search. This is what the keywords that what Google is looking for in the websites that contain the most keywords that you have typed in, and that creates the relevancy for the rank. Now you have 68 keywords organically, and it's bringing you 65 on the traffic through those words. So let's take a look at his website. Just plug him in. He has 28 backlinks over your 346. He has 13 referring domains over your 24. But he has 119 keywords to your 68. So to take it just a little bit deeper, we can go overview 2.0. And what that means is he is generating more traffic from the keywords that he's using. So for you, for example, keywords and your traffic from your keywords. Let's take a look. And this is search volume per month. LexTech. Okay. Let's go over here and take a snippet. Let's jump into 2.0. Let's take a look at the organic traffic from his keywords. There's quite a bit here. These are the top keywords he's using. This is the search volume that he's getting for these keywords per month. Mechanic Charleston, RX Auto Repair. Mechanic Charleston, South Carolina. Not sure what that is. Again, let's see, MG Repair. Guess these different cars that he offers for service. Mitsubishi Eclipse Repair. These are getting per month. Repair. Clinic. So the keywords that he's using is generating a lot more exposure for him. And this is why he is ranked here and you are falling behind in the ranks. And there's nothing wrong. You have an excellent history with the backlinks and citations. You're just falling short on the keywords and you're missing out on potential traffic. And of course, traffic is exposure to customers, and customer generates revenue. And who doesn't want that? So I just quickly wanted to show out what exactly is going on. It gives you a little insight how content, backlinks, and citations come together. Content's important. Keywords are important. It's kind of a make or break as whether your exposure is up there or not. And you can quickly see the value of your business as it increases through the traffic volume. I hope you appreciate this. I hope you have a better understanding of a well-built website. Maybe it can bring some value to you. If there's anything I can do for you, um, maybe see what's realistic for goals for you, or just reach out. I was just trying to help. I appreciate your time, and thanks. Have a great day.